Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update YouTube Music and your device OS so known bugs are out of the way. Once done, check your network speed. If you're under 5 Mbps, buffering is likely. Make sure to close bandwidth-hogging apps and temporarily disable VPN or ad blockers. They can reroute or throttle streams. If you're on mobile, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to see which connection behaves better. These first steps remove the usual external causes quickly. Next, you dive into app and network adjustments to stabilize playback. Clear YouTube Music's cache. If problems persist, reinstall to reset corrupted files. Then reduce streaming quality to low or automatic so playback can adapt to fluctuating bandwidth. Restart your router to refresh connections and change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for faster resolution. Also test wired Ethernet if possible. Wired connections remove wireless interference and often eliminate buffering entirely when stable. Finally, you perform advanced checks and secure a fallback. Verify whether your ISP may be throttling streaming. Briefly try a reputable VPN to see if performance changes, then disable it unless it helps. For essential listening, download playlists offline to avoid streaming issues entirely. If buffering continues, capture app logs and note device, OS, and exact timestamps. This helps support diagnose the issue. One tip: reboot device after network changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.